Welcome to EDU World Space.
In order to calculate the speed of the air in the slipstream, we have to write the thrust equation. So here we have a thrust equation. F is equal to dm upon dt into Vb minus Va. Okay. Now we can write this equation in the form of dm upon dt and neglect the velocity of Va with respect to Vb. Therefore, the thrust equation will be F is equal to rho Av into V minus 0. Here we have written 0 instead of Va because we have neglected the velocity at point A with respect to B. So I will have rho. Now instead of area I can write pi by 4 d square, and the multiplication of this V and V will be V square. Now from this I can rewrite this equation in the form of V. So and put all the values. So I will have the velocity V will be is equal to square root of 4 times f, and the f value is here 3600 upon pi, that is 3.14, into rho, that is 1.225, into d square, and my d is 2 and the square of 2 will be 4. Okay, by simplifying this I will get 30.6 meter per second, that is my velocity. Okay, moving further to the next part, the volume of the air passing through the propeller per second is to be calculated as Q is equal to AV. Now as we know, instead of area I can write pi by 4 d square and V will be as it is. So directly I am substituting all the values over here. So instead of A I can write pi by 4 d square, and my d square is nothing but 2 square, and the value of V will be 30.6. So my answer of Q will be 96.1 meter cube per second. Okay, in the next part, here we are going to consider the kinetic energy imparted per second to the air in the slipstream. From the above equation I can write delta T is equal to 1 half delta mv square. So this is my kinetic energy. Now we are going to divide this equation by time from both the sides. So I will get dt upon dt, because we are going to divide this by time, is equal to 1/2 is a constant, so it will remain outside as it is. So 1/2 is there. Okay. Now instead of m, I can write rho av square into v. Here let me clarify the term. Dm upon dt is nothing but rho av. Okay, let's move further. Now instead of a area, I can write pi by 4d square. So my equation will be 1/2. Simultaneously, I am putting all the values here. So the rho will be as it is, and the rho value is 1.225. Instead of a, I can write pi by 4d square. So that is a pi by 4. The d square, that means it is a square of 2. And the next term is v cube. You can see that here v square and v, the multiplication of this two term will give me the v cube. So the v value is 30.6 cube. Okay. Now by calculating we will get the final answer, that is 55,100 Newton into meter per second, which is nothing but dt upon dt, or you can say that energy per time.